I'm sure by now many of you have heard of the coin that is going to take everyone to the moon. Elon Musk has been talking about it. You've probably heard of it. It is none other than Dogecoin. What is Dogecoin? Will it go to $1? Will it go up to $10? Are we really going to the moon with Dogecoin? Should you invest in Dogecoin? Let's find out in this video. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is HM, and today we're going to talk about none other than the famous Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created back in 2013 by Jackson Palmer, and it was created as a sarcastic joke, believe it or not. It was created after the meme, which is called Doji, which is basically a Shiba Inu dog. Is it Shiba Inu? Something like that. There's a meme that has a picture of this dog, which is called Doge. So they made a coin about this dog and they called it Dogecoin. And it was completely as a joke. It was harmless. It was just there to make fun of the whole system of that anyone can basically create a cryptocurrency for themselves or a coin for themselves. At the time of filming this video, the price of every Dogecoin is about 5 cents, which sounds very cheap, but before you go out and start buying all the Dogecoins you can, so you can go to the moon, hear me out and listen till the end. So what is Dogecoin used for? Basically, Dogecoin is used to send money from person to person online. They basically called it the currency of the internet. Now, people do use it. It does have some value behind it. You can actually use it. However, the fact that it was created as a joke really worries me, and it makes me not want to invest in it, which I am not invested in it, by the way, but I'm here to inform you guys about what it actually is. So the good part about Dogecoin is that you can send money very quickly from your account to someone else's account in almost an instant. And there are no third parties. There are no banks involved, just like what Litecoin and many other cryptos offer. In the earlier stages of crypto, Bitcoin was very intimidating and people were very scared of investing in crypto and in Bitcoin. However, when Dogecoin came along, it was fun, and since the creators were barely trying and they weren't taking themselves too seriously, this is when Dogecoin actually picked up. You know how when someone is not really trying but they succeed at what they're doing because they don't really care about the outcome? They weren't taking themselves so seriously, so everyone just loved it and loved the idea and just went in it for the fun of it, which caused the price to increase. And now you might be saying, okay, all of this is fine, but will it actually ever go to $1 or to $10? And the answer to that is, it might. No one knows. But on the other hand, can it ever go back to 1 cent or 2 cents or even fractions of a penny? The answer is yes, it can, and it probably will. Now, I'm not here to predict the future or tell you that Dogecoin is going to go to $0 or it's going to go to $10 or it's going to take you to the moon. I'm not here to do that. However, I'm going to give you my point of view and how I see things from my perspective. Dogecoin doesn't really provide much value and isn't that good fundamentally, or it's probably not even good at all fundamentally compared to other coins such as Ethereum and Cardano, which are fundamentally amazing. Not financial advice, but I am personally invested in them. So since Dogecoin is not very good fundamentally, after all, it was created as a joke, the price is based solely on people buying or selling it. When more people buy, the price increases. When more people sell, the price decreases. For that reason, personally, I wouldn't want to risk going into it other than just for fun, but I wouldn't invest a serious amount in Dogecoin because since it's just based on people wanting to buy it or sell it, this is very unpredictable and you would never know what can happen. For example, if Elon Musk now tweets, I'm gonna sell all my Dogecoin and Dogecoin sucks, guess what? The price is going to drop. Just like when he said invest in Dogecoin and everyone did and the price increased like 800% a day. That's number one. Number two, it is extremely volatile because the market cap is very small. The total market cap of Dogecoin is about $6.5 billion at the time of filming this video. So the total market cap is the current price of Dogecoin, or of any coin for that matter, which is at this point it's 0.050079, which is 5 cents, times the circulating supply, which in this case is about 128 billion coins. So the maximum supply of Dogecoins is 128 billion. However, this number can increase, and I'll explain that further down this video. That's how we were able to get the market cap of Dogecoin. Also, this is available on coinmarketcap.com. I'll link it down in the description if you want to check out the website. Now, comparing the market cap of Dogecoin to the market cap of Bitcoin, which is 974,169,780,428 dollars. So what we can deduce from these numbers is that the market cap of Bitcoin is way bigger than the market cap of Dogecoin, which explains the volatility and which explains the reason why Dogecoin can go up 800% a day and then drop 50% and then go up another 500%. The reason for that is because the smaller the market cap of a coin, the easier for it to be manipulated and to move around, if that makes sense. So Bitcoin is way harder to manipulate because you need way bigger amounts of money in order to change the price and to make it fluctuate. However, Dogecoin, on the other hand, you need way less money to move the price up or down. So for that reason, I stay away from Dogecoin because it's super volatile. It moves around very quickly. You can make money very easily. However, you can also lose money just as fast, if not faster, and if you're not investing cautiously. Another thing you should know about Dogecoin is that it is an inflationary asset, which means that there is no maximum supply. It means that every time we run out of Dogecoins, more are printed or mined, just like the US dollars. Every time the government wants more money, it just prints more money. This is what causes inflation, just printing more and more and more, basically a never-ending amount of dollars. Dogecoin is the same. You guys might be thinking whether it's going to go up to $1 or $10. I think it might go to $1 or 10, but I think it's very unlikely for it to go this high without being dumped or without price manipulation. And that is because over time, as you print more and more, or as you mine more and more Dogecoin, just like the US dollar, the coin is going to lose its purchasing power over time because there's going to be so many coins out there and they're not going to be scarce. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a deflationary currency, which means that there is a maximum supply of Bitcoins that we cannot exceed. So the maximum supply of Bitcoin is 21 million Bitcoins. That's the total amount that can be mined. And we have like 4 or 5 million that are completely lost and we can never get back. So we're left with about 17 million Bitcoins. And comparing that to the amount of people that we have on Earth, it's very low. Very, very low. And as time progresses and the more scarce Bitcoin becomes, the higher the value is going to be. And the more people are going to be fighting over Bitcoin and, well, not fighting, and just trying to get the cheapest Bitcoin, which we're seeing right now between companies where Tesla is buying and MasterCard is implementing Bitcoin and PayPal and Apple might join as well. So everyone's racing over who's going to buy Bitcoin the cheapest, and this is only going to drive the price higher. And that's the reason why I'm invested in crypto, and it is the main reason that got me into it, and that is the fact that Bitcoin and many other coins are deflationary in nature, and they're basically a hedge against the US dollar that is inflationary, which is going to lose value over time, just like Dogecoin, in my opinion. Moral of the story, guys, and to conclude this video, you can buy Dogecoin if you want to. I'm not recommending that you do, but if you do, please be careful, invest very safely, and treat it the way it is intended to be treated, and that is as a joke, because it can really get you into trouble. If you get excited after seeing Dogecoin move 100% and you're going to think it's going to go to the moon and go up another 200%, you can buy the absolute top, and then it might drop 50% and you're going to lose half of your money that you worked hard for. And I just don't want to see you lose money that way just because of the hype, or just because of fake news, or just because of you wanting to get rich quick and make a quick buck. So you guys tell me what you think about Dogecoin. Should I invest in it? Maybe there's something I'm missing and something I'm not seeing. Maybe I'm just very short-sighted and there's way bigger things coming when it comes to Dogecoin, and maybe it will actually take us to the moon. However, for now, I'm just going to treat it as a joke. I'm not invested in it. I'm going to stick to the more fundamentally strong cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, all those. I'm not suggesting you guys buy it. However, if you'd like to, you can check the link in the description to Coinbase. It's an affiliate link, and if you end up using this link, I get a small cut. However, it's at no additional cost to you guys, and it's just there to support the channel. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know down in the comments whether you believe that Dogecoin will ever reach $1, $10, or $100. I'll see you in the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace out.